Hi guys, hoping I've got a pretty easy fix here in a short video. I have here a Yamaha Receiver Amp I've been asked to take a bit of a look at. The model number is HTR-5840. The problem with this amp is that it simply won't turn on. Now, after a few quick searches, there seems to be a really common problem with this particular family of amplifiers, and replacing a capacitor in the power supply section of the amp is known to fix it. So I think I'll start there. I'll try replacing this part before I dig any deeper into the amp. Hopefully it's a very easy fix. So that there is the cap that seems to go bad quite commonly. So that's a close-up. 22 nanofarad. So here I am just taking it out. $630 part. Thought the first thing I'd do is just stick it in the LCR meter to see what value we see. And you can see there it's 1.7 nanofarad, so it's actually way out of spec. That's the new part, just from a local supplier. So that's now in place. I'll just trim the legs. And that's it. We'll give it a go. It's powered up here. Perfect. That's fixed it. Simple as that. Unbelievable. So yeah, very short video here. Hopefully this might be useful to someone, and yeah, good luck. Have a good one.